Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Epic Games email. So once you're actually logged in, you come hover over here on your name at the top right, and then just go ahead and click on it. Okay, and then I want you to click on account, right? Click on this from the drop down menu of the different options. Just click on account, wait for this page to load up. And here I see my email address, right? And remember, guys, once you change your email address, you will not be able to change it again for 90 days after the change is saved to your account. So if you are okay with that, just click on this icon next to the email address, and then just enter your new email address and click on continue. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Now click on continue. Okay, right here. So we'll just wait for Epic Games. So we have clicked on that. Now, what's happening is they have sent a security code to my current email address. Okay, I just have to put in the code right here to confirm the change. So let me get that code for us. Okay, so the email actually came under the promotion section on my email, so it took a little bit of time to find it. So just keep that into account. So 2855588. Right? So 2855588, click on continue to basically confirm this change. Okay, they just want to make sure that it's actually you making the change to protect you. Now what they have done is sent a link to the new email I put in right here. Okay, and then what I need to do is just go ahead and verify this new email address. All right, so just click on verify your email right here. Okay, and this will open up a pop-up in a new tab. So just wait for this to load up, and it's basically redirecting me to Epic Games. And there we go. We have verified our email. Okay. And so it's loading up my account settings. So let's see if the change has actually reflected. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.